Hi friends, this is a great book about ice. I-C-E. Ice is nice. Have you ever eaten some ice? Have you ever gone skating on ice? Let's find out about things with ice. Ice is frozen water, like ice cubes. Snowflakes are ice. How many points does a snowflake have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Frost is ice. Sleet is ice. Sleet is a mixture of rain and snow and a little bit of ice. Does sleet get you wet? Yes, it does. Hail is ice that falls in all seasons. They look like little golf balls sized ice balls. Pools of water freeze on cold days. A pond water turns to ice. Do you think it's safe to go on a pond when it's frozen? It is not, so stay away. You could look at how beautiful it is, but do not go in. Dripping water can also freeze. It's called an icicle. And do they have points? They're kind of rounded. They do not have points, but they look like they do. It can make long icicles. And then, oh, look at that. They can have points at the end. So be careful. Ice is slippery. Ice is nice for skating. Do you wear skates on your feet when you go ice skating? Ice is nice for fishing. Watch out for ice storms. Look at that. Everything's covered with ice. The end. Something fun you can do for skating inside, if you can't make it outside, is take 2 paper plates, put one of your feet on each paper plate, and just slide around the house. That's a lot of fun. Have fun, friends. Bye.